All right, welcome back everybody. Couple new tractors added to the lineup. I know that nothing special, the 382s, but made a run to Michigan the other day. I've been putting this off. I've been contacting the guy. He met me part way, so I didn't have to drive all the way up there, which was nice. I know what you're thinking. These things look pretty rough and junky, and I know they're old and, you know, nothing special, but 382 hydro. I've been looking for one of these, and every time I find one, they're like 10 hours away. But it's an IH tagged 382. I just like the one I got back there. Now this one here is a Cub Cadet Corp, and this has that funny gear drive on it that Cub Cadet changed in the mid 80s, where my International Harvester one has sort of like the 182 type gear drives. They were different. Now this 382 has an engine in it that runs and everything, so I'm going to pull the engine. I'm going to take what parts I need from this one, probably the steering wheel, the drive sprocket assembly for the steering. The hood's pretty much beaten up on this one. It's not going to be any good, so that's going to get pitched. But I'm going to keep what parts I need for that one, for say this one or any others, and then I'll probably scrap, give the rest of that stuff away, or sell it for what I can get out of it if there's anything that's even worth anything. This one does not have the original engine, but like I said, I got a runner there, and I got another engine, a red engine that would go in this. So not the greatest tractors, but I'm happy to find one. All I need now is a 282 IH built one, and I got the whole 82 series collection. And then once I start, you know, getting all these together, I'm going to try to restore them as best I can and start working on them again here. Won't have much time this summer. I'm just way too busy now. I still haven't got the 982 diesel any further on that. I'm still waiting for paying the 582, which I don't, like I said, with summertime though, I'm so busy now, it's probably going to be late fall before I get to any of this. So I just thought I'd share. I haven't made a Cub Cadet video in a while, and I finally got another new one to add to the collection. Hopefully I can clean this up and do some more videos on it when I get it done, to let all you guys check it out. Check back. I'm going to try to keep doing some more Cub Cadet videos when I get time here. Thanks for watching.